Hello students, welcome to the online lecture of BCom semester number 2. Your subject is Accountancy 2. Your unit number first is Consignment Account. In earlier lecture, we have discussed the journal entries in the book of consignor and in the book of consignee. There are two parties in the consignment account. Both the parties are making business of consignment with the help of each other. This is the illustration number first. Anupam Furniture Mart of Ahmedabad sent 40 steel cupboards costing 4,000 each. It means consignor is sending goods to the consignee of rupees 1,60,000. 40 steel cupboards of 4,000 each. So 4 fours are 16. 1,60,000 rupees goods is sent by consignor to consignee. The consignee were allowed 5% commission on the total sale. After making the sale, we will find out the amount of commission that is paid by consignor to consignee. Consignor has a right bill to consignee of rupees 90,000 that we will post in the right hand side of consignee's account and left hand side into the consignor's account. And this bill is discounted by the consignee at 12% per annum. So the 90,000 into 12% into 3 months divided by 100 into 12. It results in 2,700. So the bills is discounted by 2,700 rupees. Anup Furniture Mart paid, it means consignor paid 7,000 rupees freight and 4,000 for wages. It means consignor has paid 11,000 rupees expense. And Pawan Brothers has paid 10,000 rupees for custom duties and wages. So expense paid by consignees, total expense paid by consignees only 10,000 rupees and expense paid by consignor is 11,000 rupees. Now consignee made sales of 35 cupboards at 6,000 rupees. So when we are multiplying 35 into the 6,000 rupees, it results in 2,10,000. So first sale made by consignee in 2,10,000, while the remaining 5 cupboards were sold by consignee in 5,500. So it results in 27,500. So total sales made by consignee is 2,10,000 plus 27,500. So it means 2,37,500. So total sales made by consignee is 2,37,500. Now consignee is allowed 5% commission on sales. So 5% commission is allowed. So on 2,37,500, 5% is 11,875. So let us give necessary journal entries and prepare necessary ledgers in the book of both the companies, both the parties, not both the companies, because here there are two parties. The first is considered as a consignor and another is a consignee. So first the journal entries in the book of consignor. Consignor is Anup Furniture Mart. So these are the journal entries in the book of Anupam Furniture Mart. He is consignor. Consignor is writing first journal entry to the last 10th journal entry, 11th journal entry. So these 11 journal entries are in the book of consignee. In the book of consignor, we have the 11 journal entries, and consignor is also preparing consignment account, goods sent on consignment account, and the consignee's account. So 3 accounts are prepared by consignor after writing in his book 11 journal entries. Now another person who is consignee is also writing the journal entries, and he is also preparing the ledger of consignor. So let us discuss one by one. First of all, the journal entry is made by consignor in his book. The first journal entry is for goods sent So consignment account debit to goods sent on consignment account, 1,60,000 rupees. Consignment account debit to goods sent on consignment account, 1,60,000. It have two effects. The first effect is in consignment account debit side, goods sent on consignment, 1,60,000, and another effect in the book of goods sent in the book of consigner in the account goods sent of consignment account credit side. So entry number first is come to an end. There is no entry for this thing in the book of consignee. So let us discuss the journal entry number 2. As per the journal entry number 2, consignor had paid expense for railway freight and wages 11,000 rupees. So consignment account debit to cash and bank account. In the consignment account, second journal entry is for 11,000 that we had write the journal entry for it earlier. So this is the effect in the book of consignor in the consignment account for 11,000 rupees. The journal entry for 11,000 is written at here. Okay. Then the third journal entry in the book of consignor, that is for bill written by consignor to consignee. Consignor has write bill of rupees 90,000 to consignee. So the journal entry is bills receivable account debit to consignee account. Power brother is consignee. So it effects in the consignee's account only one effect. So let us see the consignee's account credit side, the effect of rupees 90,000. We can see here the effect of rupees 90,000 by the name of bills receivable account. So only one effect. The same term will be result in the book of consignee only. In the book of consignee, we are writing the same entry of rupees 90,000, but entry at there is difference. Consignor account debit to bills payable account. So Anupam Furniture Mart is a consignor. So in Anupam Furniture Mart, the amount is rupees 90,000. That is on a debit side, and the name that we are writing is bills payable. So bills payable account. Now the journal entry number 4. This bill is discounted by consignee for 3 months at 12%. So if we are deducting the discount at a 12%, so it result in 2,700. The remaining money is received by consignor, which is sent by consignee. So the cash and bank account debit 87,300, consignment discount account debit 2,700 to bills receivable account 90,000. It have only one effect of only 2,700 rupees because we are have written that consignment account. In this sum, we have not opened the cash account, bills receivable account, only consignment account. So the consignment account debit side, we will write bills receivable account into bracket discount 2,700. No entry of this transaction in the book of consignee. So no entry is passed in the book of consignee. Let us see another journal entry. Another journal entry at there is expense paid by consignee. Our brother had paid certain number of expenses. So consignment account debit, it is the consignment's expense. So consignment account debit to consignee account credit. Consignee means power brother. So it have two effect. The first effect in the book of consignment debit side to consignee account, into the bracket we are writing the expense, and in the book of consignee credit side by consignment account in bracket we are writing the expense. So in this journal entry we use the name of consignee, so naturally the journal entry in the book of consignee will come. So this is the journal entry number 2 in the book of consignee, that expense paid by consignee, but consignor is giving the same expense to the consignee. The reason why consignor account debit to cash and bank account. Let us see its effect into the account. Consignor account debit side to cash and bank account. So the entry for it is only shows one effect. So let us see the another transaction in the book of consignor. In this chapter we will have to make the journal entries together with the ledger posting in the both the parties, it gives you easy solution of sum. Some of the authors and some of the teachers are writing first the journal entry in the book of consignor and then making the ledger posting. After that words they are commence to write the journal entry in the book of consignee and then make the ledger posting. It results in more expensive time. If you are making all the things together, it saves your time, your energy, and you get your result of sum with ease. So let us discuss the cells effect. There are two kinds of cell. The first cell is of 35 cupboards and another cell is remaining 5 cupboards. There is a no closing stock in this sum. In first sum, it is a very basic sum. So cells made by consignee. So consignee's account debit to consignment account for both the cases 2,10,000 and 27,500. It have two effects. The first effect at a debit side of consignee account for 2,10,000 and 27,500. Another effect in the book of consignment account credit side. So consignment account credit side, both the effect by the name of consignee 2,10,000 and 27,500. So this is the consignment account at a credit side, but the effect we can see. And in the book of consignee, in the book of consignor, the account for consignee shows the debit effect 2,10,000 and 27,500. Okay, consignee had made this cell, so naturally once again this journal entry will also come in the book of consignee. So this is the book of consignee. Consignee had made sell. The reason why cash comes to the consignee. So cash and bank account debit. Cash and bank account debit for 2,10,000 and 27,500. This cash is sent by consignee to consignor. So consignor's account credit. So Anupam Furniture Mart account credit 2,10,000, 27,500. It have only one ledger posting effect. So into the book of consignee, the account for consignor is at there. Both the entries are at there 2,10,000 and 27,500. Okay, it results in 2,37,500. Now, after making the sales, consignor is paying commission to consignee. So commission is 5% allowed by consignor, that we had seen into the question. 5% commission is allowed by consignor to the consignee. So consignment account debit, it is the expense for consignment. So consignment account debit to consignee account 11,875. It have two effects. The first effect at consignment account debit side to consignee account 5% on 2,37,500, and into the consignee's account credit side by consignment account commission 11,875. This commission is paid by consignor to consignee. So once again in the book of consignee we must have to made its effect. Consignor, it means Anupam Furniture Mart, is paying commission to consignee. So consignor account debit to cash and bank account, it means to commission account. So in the consignor's account debit side to commission account, or we can write to cash and bank account, into the bracket we can write the commission amount is 11,875. Okay, let us see the another journal entry in the book of consignor. Now all the things we have completed, the reason why we are closing down the consignee's account. So let us see the consignee's account first. Into the consignee's account we have write two things at a debit side. Both the things are the effect of sale, and three things are at credit side. First is for bill, second is for expense paid by consignee and it is given by consignor to him, and third is consignee receives commission from consignor. So the total of both side from the debit side is 2,37,500 transfer on a credit side, and difference is find out How much difference is? 1,25,625. Same result we will see in the book of consignee in the consignor's account. So the journal entry for it is cash and bank account debit to consignee's account. Cash and bank account debit to consignee's account. Bank account debit to consignee's account. Okay, so this is the end of consignee's account. Now we will make the end of consignor's account. So the journal entry for consignor's account is closed is here. I had told you earlier that the same value will come, but the things that we have recorded debit side in the book of consignee's account will come at a credit side in the book of consignee, the consignor's account. The thing that is R on a credit side is comes at a debit side. So the same difference is find in the book of consignee, the consignor's account, 1,25,625. So the journal entry is consignor's account debit to cash and bank account, 1,25,625. The total of both side is 2,37,500. Now no any entry is remain in the book of consignee. So the consignee's book is come to an end. Let us see how much things are at there in the book of consignor. So in the book of consignor we had completed the consignee's account. We have still settled the goods sent on consignment account, as well as we will have to settle the consignment account also. So first of all we settle the consignment account. In the consignment account, let us see the total of credit side is 2,37,500. From this total, we are deducting 1,60,000, that is goods sent, 11,000 is expense paid by consignor, 2,700 is commission, expense paid by consignee is 10,000, commission paid to consignee is 11,875. So difference is at there 41,925. So difference we are writing the journal entry consignment account debit to profit and loss account credit. So this is the journal entry consignment account debit to profit and loss account. Now only one account remain to close, that is goods sent on consignment. It always have only one effect, and this is close at end with the name of trading account. So the journal entry for closing the goods sent on consignment account is that consignment account goods sent on consignment account debit to trading account. So this is the come to an end of your sum number first. This is very easy sum. In the next lecture we will discuss the next sum. Thank you.